But normally, if a person has love for someone, he wouldn't do anything to displease or to trouble that person or in any way hurt. Without that development within you, you cannot become collective. In collectivity, what happens that you feel for others. You understand others. You may not show off, but you do inside yourself, you know. Supposing somebody has done lots of funny things with you, doesn't matter. But gradually you will see he will change, gradually he will become better, because he'll realize that whatever he has been doing has not been a correct thing to do. He will not only feel guilty, that's not the way, but he will say, I should correct. Why did I do like this? I should not have done. Gradually he will improve, but for that you should have a great sense of forgiveness, great sense of understanding. Under circumstances, people also misbehave because they have had no training how to be all right, how to be humble, they misbehave. Because in their culture perhaps there is nothing but just anger and arrogance is regarded something great. Also they misbehave. Sometimes they come from such families where only arrogance is taught. So you can't help it. Such people are to be forgiven again and again and see that they change. Because I have a faith that all human beings can be made into beautiful flowers of fragrance, all the human beings. But I know there are some difficult ones. Why? Because they don't want. If they don't want, if they don't have the pure desire, you cannot force it on them. So forget. They are difficult people, forget about them. But those who want, those who have a great desire, which is absolutely pure desire, not for money, not for position, not for anything else, but for achieving a great state of spirituality, such people are to be helped at any cost. I know some of them have gone to very wrong gurus and they have suffered. They have a bad agya, they have all kinds of things. Doesn't matter. You should try to help them. If they can listen to you, if they can understand what you are telling them, I am sure it will work. It is worked out so much, as you can see now, that in the foreign countries where I was just an Indian, how people have taken to it.